Hey, third grade. Today for your daily activity, you're going to be working on an activity in Reflex Math. This is a new program to us this year. Some of you may recognize it from second grade. And if you do, that's awesome. If you don't, that's okay. You're going to become familiar with it really quickly. So Reflex Math is going to be on your class link. It's going to be a white background with a green bubble and a white R. So you're going to click that and it should log you in. All right, it's going to log you in, and then you're going to select your homeroom, Mrs. Garza's, Mrs. Humphreys, or Mrs. Reagan's homeroom. Okay, then you're going to find your name on here, and your password is going to be your initials, and then your lunch number. Okay, so then it's going to take you to the starting page of this website. You're going to have to take like a placement test this morning, and that's what you're going to have to do first. And then, so you're going to take your placement test here, and then that's what you're going to do today. I want you to spend about 20 to 30 minutes doing this today. So if you finish your placement test, then you can go on and keep doing what it tells you to do. But I think that 20 to 30 minutes should give you plenty of time, okay? So remember, you're going to go to class link. They're going to go down to Reflex Math, and then it's going to log you in. Your password are your initials and then your lunch number. All right, let me know if you have any questions.